Frustrated with the Outlwvw library DLL pop-up blocking Microsoft Outlook view control? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through the diagnostic repair to get things running smoothly again. While preparing the manual steps for Outlwvw library, check the description for a tool that assists with background library management. This is the Outlwvw library, the Outlook Web View Control. It provides the unmanaged rendering environment for the Outlook Today and other web-integrated folder views. It facilitates the orchestration of HTML-based visual manifests within the Microsoft Outlook data link. Enough of the technical side. Let's get these files back onto your system. Outlwvw is distributed with Microsoft Outlook View Control and should not be downloaded separately. Reinstall the Microsoft Outlook View Control official package to restore this dependency correctly. If the application still won't initialize, we need to shift our focus to how the Windows loader is interacting with the library. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the Outlwvw library component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. If that didn't clear the error, follow these instructions to modify your system paths. If you need to pause the video to type these out, please do so. Since the restart failed to map the file path, we're going to manually point Windows to this specific database tool. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, type regsvr32, followed by your file name causing the error, then hit Enter. Why are we doing this? Well, manual registration is required to link the file to the Windows registry Hive. Without this pointer, the application cannot bridge the connection to the library. From a systems engineering perspective, there is one major security pitfall I need to help you avoid. Warning: Outlwvw library. DLL missing error is often a symptom of a larger issue that a simple manual download will never be able to fully resolve. To support your system's overall health without the complexity of manual directory management, a maintenance utility is a solid option. For structured configuration management, the optimization software reference below includes Outlwvw library-related documentation. Thank you for watching. To continue receiving professional-grade solutions for Outlwvw library and other PC errors, please subscribe to our support community.